I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at Greensgrove Community Incubator Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter banana sandwich on cinnamon bread. So let's get started. Right here we have 2 pieces of gluten-free cinnamon raisin bread. It's actually Sweet Christine's gluten-free bread and it's awesome. So on the bread we're going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and 1/2 of a banana sliced thin. Really, really easy. So